In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test for IP and DNS leaks with ProtonVPN on Windows. Before we begin, here's why this matters. When you use a VPN, your public IP address and your DNS requests should be routed through the VPN. An IP leak reveals your real internet address, and a DNS leak lets your internet provider handle your website lookups, which can expose what you're visiting. A quick test ensures your privacy is working as expected. Start by launching the ProtonVPN app on your Windows device. Give it a moment to initialize so it can detect your network. Then connect to a VPN server. You can use Quick Connect or choose a specific location. Either way, wait until the app clearly shows that you're connected. Many people like to pick a different country so it's easier to recognize the change, but any server will do. For the most reliable results, let the connection stabilize for a few seconds before testing. Open your preferred web browser. For clean results, a private or incognito window is helpful because it avoids cached data. Now, go to one of these testing sites: dnsleaktest.com, ipuleak.net, or browserleaks.com/DNS. You only need one, but using two can help you double-check. On the test page, choose the standard or extended test. The standard test is quicker and gives you a basic snapshot. The extended test takes a bit longer and queries more DNS servers, which can reveal issues the quick test might miss. If you have time, the extended option provides a more thorough check. Once the test runs, you'll see your detected IP address and a list of DNS servers. Confirm that the IP address shown matches the VPN location you connected to, rather than your real city or region. For DNS, look at the names and locations of the resolvers. They should align with the VPN provider or with neutral resolvers associated with the VPN network, not your actual internet provider. If the site clearly shows your provider's name or your home region as a DNS resolver, that indicates a DNS leak. If you spot anything off, try disconnecting and reconnecting to ProtonVPN, switching to a different server, and repeating the test. Running the test twice helps rule out temporary network glitches. When everything is working correctly, both your IP and the DNS servers will reflect the VPN, not your real network. That's your confirmation that your privacy is protected on Windows.